Bingo Cash lets you play bingo through tournaments where the entry requirement and potential prizes are shown before you enter. That means the basic process is simple. Choose a tournament, check the entry fee and prize structure, play, and then review your result. By the end, you'll know the basic Bingo Cash process from opening the app to checking your balance and requesting a withdrawal. Start by opening Bingo Cash and going to the tournament lobby. This is where you'll find the available games and their entry requirements. Before selecting a paid tournament, check the displayed entry fee and prize information so you know exactly what you're entering. If you don't want to use cash immediately, Bingo Cash also provides free play options. The company says players can collect free gems daily and use them in gems tournaments, and it also offers a free roll tournament. Use those options first if you want to learn how the game works without paying a cash entry fee. For a cash tournament, select the tournament you want and review the entry requirement. Bingo Cash says some tournaments can require both cash and gems. Its support example shows a tournament requiring $1 and 600 gems. Some tournaments also let you choose between available entry fee options. You can use the plus or minus buttons to switch between the options provided by Bingo Cash, but you can't enter a custom amount. Once you've selected the tournament, start the game and follow the bingo gameplay instructions. Your final position determines whether you receive a prize according to that tournament's payout structure. After the tournament finishes, check your updated balance. Keep in mind that Bingo Cash separates bonus cash from withdrawable funds. Bonus cash can be used for eligible cash tournaments, but bonus cash itself cannot be withdrawn. When you're ready to request a withdrawal, open Accounting and select Withdraw.ai. Bingo Cash displays your withdrawable amount, and you enter the amount you want to request. Review the withdrawal summary before confirming because Bingo Cash says a processing fee is deducted from the withdrawal. Processing isn't necessarily immediate. Bingo Cash says withdrawals may take up to 14 days to process, although players usually receive funds within 2 business days. The final arrival time can depend on the payment processor or financial institution. So the full process is: open the lobby, choose a tournament, check the entry fee and prize table, play, review your result, and use Huge Count Withdraw when you have eligible withdrawable funds. For your first session, start with gems tournaments or free roll. Then move to paid tournaments only after you've checked the exact cost and prize structure. If this walkthrough helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app guides.